Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your OPPO A6x heating while charging. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that it's normal if you charge your device using fast charging. So this is normal that your phone heats up. It's a part of the process. You basically get a lot of heat for just a couple of minutes faster charging. So if you're using normal charging and it's heating up, then what you guys want to do is go over to settings and check for background apps that can cause heat and high power consumption ratio. We want to scroll down to battery. Here we're gonna go over and check for the background apps in power saving settings and app battery management. But first, let's actually check it right here. So battery usage by app is 55%. This is the ratio of all the apps right here. And we can of course force stop the app, but it won't do anything. We need to go over to power saving settings, then swipe down and look for those apps right here. Now if they're not here, you cannot change it. So make sure that if you have a different apps right up top, make sure that you click on them and click restrict background activity. So I already did that with some apps. We can do that for Drive, click OK, and now it's done. So make sure to do that. Next, you guys want to use the original charger and a cable. It's very important because if you use the fake one or just an original one, then it's pretty bad because your phone can heat up because it's just the charger not made for this exact phone. Next, you guys want to avoid using your phone while charging it. So, no gaming. You guys can of course listen to Spotify, but it can heat up your phone. Totally up to you. But just don't play the games, for an example. Don't watch YouTube on it, don't game. And lastly, if you have a case, then make sure to remove it because we definitely want to charge our phone without the case on it because we want to improve the heat dissipation and we want to charge it in a cool and ventilated area. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.